Want you to hear me screaming every breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it to get. Hey you guys, sincerely Tiara here. So this is the hair after me doing it. This has been about a week now, and I have been to the gym twice this week. It's really light. Definitely doesn't get tangled. I'm in love with this hairstyle. It's so easy to pin up. My biggest advice to you is when you crochet the hair, make sure your braid pattern is really skinny, because it gives the crochet like a natural look. So this is the hair that I used, and I got this from my local beauty supply, but I do think that you can get this off of Amazon as well, and it's the Freetress. And then this is the color OT30. And then so I used that kind of hair and just a crochet needle. That's it. Took me about 2 hours max. leave them below or message me, and I will either create another video for you or just try my hardest to answer them thoroughly for you. I really hope I did a great job with this tutorial, and I hope I showed you what you needed, because I hate watching tutorials and I don't get what I need out of it. So I'm definitely available to help you out. So yeah, this is my crochet. I love it. This is after 1 week.